Restaurants and cafes are common settings in both daily life and business related activities, such as casual meetings, client dinners, or team lunches. Understanding how to navigate these situations using English is an important skill. In the TOEIC test, you may find vocabulary and phrases related to restaurants and cafes. Here's an overview of this topic from various perspectives, using language suitable for CEFR A1-A2 learners. 1. Reservations are often required, especially for popular restaurants or during busy times. Phrases like, I would like to make a reservation, how many people will be in your party, and what time would you like to book are frequently used. Being able to specify the time, date, and number of guests ensures a smooth reservation process. 2. Ordering food and drinks. Ordering at a restaurant or cafe involves choosing from a menu and communicating your preferences clearly. Phrases like, I'll have the dish name, could I see the menu please, and what do you recommend are useful. It's also important to know how to customize orders using phrases like, no onions please, or can I have this without sugar? 3. Understanding the menu. Menus often include a variety of terms for dishes, drinks, and specials. Words like appetizer, main course, dessert, and beverage are common. Phrases like, what are today's specials? And does this dish include nuts? Help you understand the menu better and choose what suits your taste or dietary needs. 4. Asking for recommendations. If you're unsure what to order, asking for recommendations is helpful. Phrases like, what's the most popular dish here? Or, do you have any vegetarian options? Are commonly used. These questions allow the staff to suggest dishes based on your preferences or dietary restrictions. 5. Handling special requests. Sometimes you may need to make special requests, such as splitting a bill or accommodating dietary needs. Phrases like, can we have separate checks? I'm allergic to ingredient, and could you make this gluten-free? Are polite ways to communicate your needs. Clear communication ensures a better dining experience. 6. Paying the bill. At the end of the meal, you'll need to settle the bill. Phrases like, can I have the check, please? Do you accept credit cards? And is service included? Are standard. Understanding these terms helps you manage the payment process smoothly and avoid confusion. 7. Restaurants and cafes are often settings for social interactions. Phrases like, this place has a great atmosphere, the food here is always good, or have you been here before, are simple ways to engage in small talk. These conversations can make business or social meals more enjoyable. 8. Handling issues or complaints. If something is wrong, such as a mistake with the order, it's important to communicate politely. Phrases like, excuse me, but this isn't what I ordered. Could this be heated up, please? Or, there seems to be a mistake with the bill. Help address issues respectfully and ensure they are resolved. 9. Providing feedback, whether positive or constructive, is a way to show appreciation or help improve service. Phrases like, the food was excellent, thank you for the great service, or the wait time was a bit long, are commonly used. Feedback helps businesses maintain high standards. Understanding these aspects of restaurants and cafes helps you navigate dining experiences confidently, whether for personal enjoyment or professional purposes. This knowledge is useful for TOEIC preparation and for building practical communication skills. Being able to handle various situations at restaurants and cafes enhances both your daily and business interactions.